Make a great choice today with the 2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, air suspension, rear, remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights. Come see the car for yourself.